Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be looking at some really easy ways that you can do some spooky ghost effects just in time for Halloween. Okay, it's that time of year again. Halloween's just around the corner and we're already starting to hear about ghost sightings. People have seen spooky things, apparitions, all this kind of thing. Now, obviously being an intelligent, rational person, I don't believe any of it, it's all nonsense. But let's say we did want to get some kind of cool spooky ghost effects for your videos. Well, let's have a look at a couple of ways we could do that using LumaFusion and Procreate. Here we are in LumaFusion and this is the main clip on our timeline. So what we want to do is we want to go into Procreate. We'd normally use a green screen for this, so we'd create a green background, but because there's a lot of greenery in the main shot, we're going to use a blue screen instead. It works exactly the same way in LumaFusion. Instead of keying out the green, we just key out the blue. So we're going to choose a blue background in Procreate, and then we're just going to draw our figure straight onto that blue background. Take note of which direction the light's coming from in your main clip back in LumaFusion, and then you can use that for your lighting in Procreate. Okay, once we finish that, we're going to hit that wrench icon, we're going to go to share, and we're going to send it straight to LumaFusion from Procreate. Now back in LumaFusion, that will appear here in the imports folder. So we drag it from the imports folder, put it above the main clip on the timeline, and then we move it to where we want it to appear. Now we're going to double tap it so that we can go to the edit page. We're going to go to color and effects, up to that little key icon at the top right, and we're going to key out that blue using the blue screen key. Now for that flickering effect, we're simply going to go into the timeline, we're going to zoom right in, and we're just going to chop up that clip at random. Okay, next up we have this ghostly apparition. We're going to follow the same process, jump into Procreate, create a blue screen background, and then we're going to choose this cool ethereal looking kind of brush. We're going to draw our apparition. And then same process, up to that wrench icon, share, and send it straight to LumaFusion. Now once again, drag from the imports folder, drop it onto the timeline above our main clip. We're going to go to color and effect again, up to that key icon, key out all the blue using the blue screen key, and this time we're going to use keyframes to animate our apparition. We're going to use frame and fit to position it where we want it to begin and end on the screen. And then we can actually use some of these cool effects inside LumaFusion to give it this spooky kind of distorting effect. And that's it. Happy Halloween, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.